vlog coming to you live from Maracas Beach. But you know, I don't come on no beach and bathe on the thing. Like, mind the water, I on the chair. I'm preservatives, and that's all that matters in this world. So we just come to do a real quick run. Well, for you to take a dip. And just, you know, get a little breathe in, breathe out. Sorry, they all are watching the lifeguard telling them to, oh, move around. Oh, damn. Okay. Yeah. So, there's that. What's she doing in truth? Anyways, so yeah, we here for a little while, nothing much. I don't know if I might get bacon track or not. I don't know if I'm in the mood for it. I don't know. Today just is today. Yeah. It's 5 months since mommy passed, so it's like, I don't know. But yeah. So we here just taking a little breeze on thing. And I use my preservatives, as I said. We're looking to leave here just now anyway. As I said, I don't know if I get bacon truck or not. I think I want to, but I'm not too sure. But I want to eat it here. I don't want to like carry it home because then it's get too soggy. I like my bacon truck so strong. So we'll see. But yeah, the beach already has no set of people on it, and it's after, what time is it? It's after 11. Surprisingly, don't have a lot of people, but people are coming. So I guess by like 12, 1 or 2 have a lot of people here. But usually here is Ram. It actually don't have much people. So yeah, after here we going to we're going to grocery, and then I have my nephew this evening, so I might see him depending on how this goes. And yes, I started to wash over her hair because I took out the braids. I washed it on thing Wednesday. But I only do my protein treatment. I didn't do my moisturizing treatment, and I could tell. So I had to wash this out, co-wash it, do my moisturizing deep conditioner, and then do some twists that will hopefully last for like 2 weeks, hopefully. Yeah. So yeah, so I'll pick all the back up when we leave here and figure out what we're doing. Hey y'all, and welcome back to the vlog. Well, let's just making a real quick pot. Well, a quick dish, lol. So it's basically just sweet pepper, sweet pepper, sweet potato, onion, fish, level seasoning, and shoving that in the oven now. I said water hotting to finish mopping, and I need to put it in the oven, Gabrielle. Alright, so I'll put it in the oven there. Should be like about a little half an hour, if so much. So I don't finish mopping the living room. I have to clean the study. I do everywhere else. It's just them 2 places to do. The guest bedroom, I will sweep and mop that tomorrow, please, Lord, because that's sucker, that's a smaller room, but everywhere else, clean. So I'm very happy, and on the second go that clothes to wash, so that washing. Then after I just one more, is it? And I need to hurry my tail up because I need to go and price smart with daddy to switch over mommy card. Yeah, so I need to even talking to her, just taking up time. Look. So let me go and do that, and I will come out to the most likely when we on our way to price smart, because I'm ready to finish this thing quickly and day dancing. And I might have to wash, but you know what gonna happen? I have no idea, and I'll go to my place. Price smart. It don't have no creamer. What did they say you're looking for? Yeah, so just walking to price man. The creamer ain't gonna be somewhere. It ain't gonna have. Your creamer is the one that is liquid. Oh, can I go to sign out the one like powder? Nah. Okay.
Was on that side over so.
Sorry. What did I do? Bye, bye, hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. All of this vlog is like in the span of 2 weeks because last week I was going and put it up, but I didn't have enough footage, and then my headspace just was not headspacing. Or you know, just go one day you go, the next day is like a downpour of rain. But yeah, so this morning I went because I had to go and get some x-rays done. I went to get some x-rays done. Had to go and get a new work shoe because my work shoe going through, and a new work pants because my work pants, the waist is good, but you know, since when exercising and things, so the legs get a little tight, so I had to get an next one because I need to be slack, like, you know, I got time to be no. So right now we're here by Chinese Chopper in Curep or St. Augustine Road. Well, Curep right there, we literally just crossed the last by Curep, but technically they St. Augustine. Yeah. So we're here by Chinese Chopper Grill, going to get something, and then we're looking to head further east and then come back down the road. When I reach back home, I need to wax because I haven't done in a while, and because my wax beads went up, I had to buy a next type of wax beads. You're gonna see that in the Pennywise haul, so I'm hoping that does. Well, this is back home. Please don't mind my rage to the background. So let's make a little dumplings. Well, I like my flat dumplings. I don't like them big double dumplings. No, I like my dumplings flat. So I make some dumpling because I have some leftover curry potato and melon. So I had the water boiling here. And I now thinking this, I'm gonna make some coconut dumpling. But I think this tastes good. So that's how I'm gonna do it this. I don't have no more onion, I didn't realize that. So I will just use my normal green seasoning. Along with the coconut milk. So organize. I think I'll carrot this, so I could grate some carrot into it. So yeah, this is making a little cook. Oh, and oh my goodness, good thing I opened here. So I saw Angostura, I little later earlier, but I saw Angostura bring out this drink. Where they made Cubata, rum and spice rum and Coca-Cola. Classic mixed drink. So I wanted to try it. So I had the deep freeze cold in. Good thing I realized that because this one I bust inside and I've been so annoyed. And Massey had sale on strawberries. If all you don't know, my nephew is a strawberry bantam. He love a strawberry, he love a grapes, he love a mango. Love off. So when I saw it, I was like, ooh. But I pick up some for zoomies because I was having tomorrow pretty load. So and but yeah, so that's what I do. I'm just making some dumplings. We'll heat up this just now. Go and wash up this thing here I use to make them dumplings. Then, and if it's one time my mother teach me, but she teach me anything. But if it don't, one thing for certain, two things for sure, keep your house clean and wash as you cook. So your kitchen don't never up in a mess, you know? Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I just have the published vlog today. I do not know how much footage I'm going to get because only my mental state has been very interesting. As I said in the previous clip, some days I am great, other days I am not. But we keep it pushing. Oh, I have to show you like my progress of my coloring book. No, I have not done that coloring book. I ain't finished it yet. The Coco Wayo Girl Moments coloring book. I have to show y'all what I did and how far I reached. I think I would have told y'all I got some acrylic markers as well. But I've come to realization I just rather the alcohol markers and color pencils and more white detailing pens. Like, I would love to get some more detailing. So I'm going to do this taste test at this Angostura Cubata. It is have how much? 7% alcohol in it. Well, I really hope these influencers, they lie, you know. Because they real talk up this thing. Yeah. Me to like it. It tastes like a water down. It is like a water down. How to explain it, boy? It is like a water down. You know, like when you ask a bartender for, let's say, vodka and Coca-Cola or white Coke and Coca-Cola, it is like a watered down version to that. I understand what I was going for, but in my opinion, they miss the mark. I would give that a 3 out of 10. This is very watered down, and I don't like it. With ingredients: carbonated water, tambu spice rum, sugar, natural cola flavor, sodium bentonate. Hello, it looked like they just take a set of carbonated water, put a little oomph at the tambu rum, a little oomph at the cola flavor, and say, right, look all the rum and cola. Me like that too. Alright, so the my good moments book. Yeah. Alright, so I'll show you all the ones that do well the front page. And I'll do this. And this page. I think I was going for like a pink vibe when I colored this, honestly. Can't remember. What I vexed that I didn't do and I want to start doing is putting like the dates when I do it so I can remember when I did it. I think you all saw this one before. Did this one. Did this. Oh, these things look so cute. So cute. Did this one. All of this is like one of my favorite ones to do. Because I want to do like a purple and blue aesthetic. Aesthetic, whatever. And it got so nice. Like the matches are purple, the matches are blue. And then I think I went over some color pencils. I can't remember honestly, but all this was so nice. And then I did this one, the pottery workshop. So cute. And then this one was like, I got a pocket full of sunshine. I got a love and I know this all I know. Page. But yes, I did this one. And then I did this one. And I was like, kind of like playing around with like raindrops or whatever. But yeah. And then that's the last one from there. Oh no, and I did this one. This looks so cute. Love off. I think that was the last one I did because I very thing is because this thing is print out 3 back, so I had to put a little paper blocker. And I have real pages still to do. But I think I did one more in the back here. Oh no, I did 2 more in the back here. Because I remember doing a black and pink one. Right, so I did this one. I think you'll saw this already. This one. And where's the kind of brownish one I just saw? Oh, and I did this one. Like, this looks nice. Nice. Oh, I forget what some of these things, you know. Oh gosh, wait now. But how you went up to, but what is this? I just had to color over this. I'll have to like get like a darker palette for this because this end up bleeding over to this. Why boy? Is the bronze, you know. The brown markers does always end up like, even after I take off the shield, it's always end up like over time, putting like a yellow tint over it. I don't know why, but Yes, I still have a good bit of pages to go in this coloring book. And I think the reason is because I just like my thing to look nice. So I'm not just going color for coloring sake. Like, I want my thing to look very pretty looking. Or let I just sit down and be coloring for like 3 hours straight, no lie. The man come outside and be like, I come out and see what you're doing because you're very quiet. Because like the coloring is one thing, but then like when I get into like doing the little details, all I see is so happy, it's be so nice. And like my brain does literally be turned off for those 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours, depending on how, it goes. But yeah. So on the next page today, I feel I will do the page in between these two. Yeah, I feel I'll do this one here. Yeah. This in between these two, so at least I have like a good little running of like stuff from before. And I might do a next one as well. So like sometimes what I do is go on Pinterest and look for like color ideas and then just go to town. But yeah, that's my little, coloring stuffies. I told it. So this is the finished page. It looks so cutesy. Love, love, love. I tried to show her like the process, but all my battery was going dead, and I was like, I gotta put my phone in charge. So all I get some pieces of it. All of this guy take me a good little minute. I wish I had gotten this, but I did. I think all I get to see the beach type situation. Shit. But all it'll be easy. But there's the finished page. Yeah.